Hello and welcome back. Keep it simple short. Join and coin here. Thanks for your support. All right, so finally we got it. After 6 weeks below the 200-week SMA, finally Bitcoin closed 1 week above the 200-week SMA. So that's a strong bullish sign. And we also got other bullish signs for the midterm. But in the very short term, we have to be very cautious. But let's take first a look to the longer time frames. So we are potentially, what I posted yesterday in the community tab, we are about to have a bullish cross here on the weekly MACD. And this is a strong signal because it's a higher time frame. And yeah, also we can see here the last time Bitcoin came from down below of the 200-week SMA. So this was during the COVID crash. Within 10 weeks, Bitcoin pumped more than 80% to the upside. So of course, this was a V-shaped recovery, but just to mention, we only have one time in history where Bitcoin was below the 200-week SMA. So after that, 10 weeks in a row, we saw 80% to the upside. For the mid to long term, yeah, I'm bullish on Bitcoin, but there are some concerns. So yeah, let's jump first to the daily. So first, the bullish signs. So the RSI is clearly in an uptrend on the daily. The MACD also suggests we're in an uptrend. And we also got potentially here a cross of the EMA 50 to the EMA 20. So you see here the red line with the yellow line. And when these both lines cross on the daily, yeah, in history, if we look back, so we can see here, for example, so basically around the same time of last year, when these two lines crossed, you can see here, after the cross of the 20 to the 50 EMA, the 20 EMA usually is holding as a support. Also here in October of 2020, when these both lines crossed, we saw this huge pump to the upside and our last huge bull run. So then the EMA 20 is holding Bitcoin as a support. So whenever these two lines cross, this is a very bullish sign. But yeah, there are some concerns. So let's go over it. So first, we can see here we're in a series of higher highs and higher lows, right? So basically we're in an uptrend, but you can see here this resistance line. And yeah, Bitcoin found some resistance here, here, broke it, fake out, and now again below this resistance line. And if you take a look here on the price action of the beginning of the year, also there we saw a small uptrend before we had one more crash to the downside. So we have to be very careful here. And yeah, I want to explain you on the 4-hourly. So let's jump to the 4-hourly. On the 4-hourly, Bitcoin broke all the EMAs, broke this resistance line, but yeah, again, is trading below. So I am expecting more a bearish price action in the coming 1 to 2 days, because if you take a look here, the RSI was rolling over, and it seems that it's the same what we already saw here. And also on the MACD, we can see here there was a bearish cross and there's some bearish momentum in the very short term. So we have to be very careful here, because the real test, if we turn from here bullish or again bearish, is coming, I think, in the coming days. So as I think that we are most likely going here more to the downside. So my target here for the next days is the 22,600, where the EMA 100 and the EMA 200 on the 4-hourly time frame is coming here into play. And the question will be, will this here hold? Or at least will this level here hold at the 22,000K, because this was a strong resistance we can see here. And basically, yeah, 22,000 was Bitcoin holding back here, broke it here and found some support. So Bitcoin lost again the EMA 20, the red line here on the 4-hourly, found some support on the EMA 50. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to come here in this region of 22,600 in the coming hours or days. And if this is broken to the downside, then the real test is the 22,000 and this support line. If we can see a bounce here after that, and we saw a reset in the RSI, then yeah, then I think that we could see a nice pump in the coming weeks in August. But if not, then we are not still out of the wood yet. Also on the daily, here we can see the red line is the EMA 20 on the daily, which also comes exactly at 22,600. So yeah, most likely Bitcoin will test this EMA 20 in the coming hours, maybe today or tomorrow. Yeah, and then that's the question. If Bitcoin find here some support and bounce off, this is the bullish case. And the bearish case would be if Bitcoin again is losing here this support, then yeah, I think we are heading one more to the downside. So yeah, this week I think we should get some clear information, because one close again below the 200-week SMA, this would be bearish, to be honest. But yeah, let's hope that Bitcoin finds some support here and yeah, bounce off, and then we can see some bullish price action in the coming weeks. But also we can see in Ethereum there is some bearish divergence on the 4-hourly and on a daily time frame, and also on the Nasdaq and S&P. So in general, we have to be careful in the very short term, because there are some signs that yeah, we will see lower prices in this week. A bullish breakout of this resistance line, this would be a very bullish case. So then we can take a look here on the EMA 100 on the daily, which lines around 26,680 as the time of recording. All right, this was my short update to Bitcoin. If you like this video and you want to get updated with the latest crypto news and analysis, then please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also hit the notification bell. I wish you a wonderful start in the week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.